we go. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about the reports. And this example, we're just gonna have one page or dashboard that we made with this different charts, bars as well, numbers that we might want to have in a report. This is set up initially as a dashboard, and we can click on the charts to see them in at a bit more of detail. We can click on values as well to see how they've been doing the past week, month, etc. And when we click here on edit, then we get to edit anything that we would want to move around. A very nice feature that we have here that is very good for a report is the editor. So here we can see the daily notes, and here we can just quickly start editing what we want to edit. We can add more notes, or we can delete some notes in this case. Then we go back. And here as well, we can see, we can make tables as well with indicators inside. And once that we are happy with the report that we have, we can see here at the top of the page that this dashboard or this page has a report. We can click on it, and this will take us to the report. So here you have the name of the report. Here we can see if we have several reports issued for different dates. And here we can edit the report. So here, we're just gonna click here. And yes, so here's the name that I want to give to my particular report. And here we select the workspace where we have the page we want to have as report. For example, this one is in my workspace, and here we select from different options. And for example, here we can select another one, and here we have a preview in case we don't remember the name of the page we want. Here we have a preview to see what the page we're selecting. And this one, it was report trial, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go. So we have the view. We can run it on schedule or not. And here we can select different emails to send it to once that this is done. And whenever we issue a report, we can just issue the report, or we can issue the report and email it to the default recipients list that we have. In this case, I just have myself. And here, if we scroll down, we can see that when we hover over something, it turns different color. So in here, we can select stuff or hide stuff that we would like to be hidden away from a different version of the report. Let's say this is the full report. It includes all the graphs, all the daily information, this big table, and this additional comments section. If we want to have a different type of report, and we just say maybe for this partial version of the report, we don't need this information, we can just hide it away. And here we can see all the things that we're hiding away. And let's hide away the last section as well. Why not? And then we will click in update to have these changes fixed. And here we can see it is no longer there, neither here at the bottom. To issue a report, we just click on this button. And here we will get asked if we just want to issue the report, when we just click on close. And if we want to email it to the recipient list or another email, we can just write the email, hit enter, and then the address will show as mine does here, and then we can just click on email. Here we can see all the issued reports, and here we can see the names and the times in which they were issued. The email in which you get it, 1 second. Generates something like this. So it's a PDF of the report that you've issued. Okay. And of course, you can send the report to several people and have different versions of the same report. For example, in here we have a full report, and in another, let's click on this one. This is the full report. As you've seen, this one has more notes in Azerbaijani in this case. And another version of the same report will be, for example, this one, partners report. And as we can see here, we have some information hidden away. Yes. So this is what we have on reports now. And on the scheduling part of the report, we can select to run this on a daily schedule, or later on we will be able to select weekly, monthly, every 2 weeks, etc. And we can select or deselect to email every time that we are having this schedule running or not. And we can select here the day that we wanted to schedule it for and the hour. And we can select among different types of zones or time zones in here. And then we just click on update. For example, in this one, let's just put, I don't know, 13 and 10, Europe, and then update. Let's run it on Mondays. And then here we can see the name of the report, the link to the page where we have the report based on, where is this located, who are the default recipients, and when do we have it scheduled, if we have it scheduled to a particular date and time. And yes, that's pretty much it, what we have on report.